Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I feel like somebody is scared to come and talk to you. There's definitely some fear here because of the things that they've said to you, they've done to you, because they were stuck in some type of codependent situation. So yeah, let's see what's going on. What's going on with my Sagittarius? Ace of Swords tried to jump out. So I'm telling you this, if you guys aren't really communicating with this person, they definitely want to communicate to you. There will be some communication coming in. See? Page of Wands. This person definitely wants to start over with you. The seeds that they built with you, they do want them to grow. But the problem is that they are worried. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But I'm telling y'all, this person, whoever you're thinking about right now, this person loves you. They feel like you're the one for them. You're their soulmate. And they're coming back to give you an offer. It is a secure offer. Something that you do deserve here. See, look, they're trying to have the strength to give you this offer. But they're worried. I feel like they're worried that you're going to turn them down. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, see? I'm telling you, this person is worried that you're not going to accept this offer due to the fact that there was some type of breakup. Yeah, this person stabbed you in the back in the past, Sagittarius. Oh my gosh, okay. This person definitely stabbed you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them because they're coming back to speak their truth to you. They're coming back. But see, this person is taking their time. They're moving really slow to do it. Ace of Wands tried to jump out. I'm telling you, this person wants a new beginning with you, Sagittarius. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. If not, I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. But also, I feel like just looking at this person has to move away from that codependent situation, whatever family situation that they're dealing with. But see, this person can't sleep. They're frustrated. They're worried. See? Because they know that they didn't bring balance. Somebody also could be worried about their money. But the thing is, they're coming back. And when they do come back to speak to you, they're going to be confident about it. But see, right now, they know that you're not happy with them, Sagittarius. You're not happy about what they've done. And this is why they're not talking to you. I'm telling you, this person feels ashamed. They know they messed up. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But yeah, it's like you had to cut this person off. Because it was like they kept putting you through the same cycle. And you were like, come on, you know, get out of this situation. Or you're telling me you're going to do X, Y, Z, but you're not making a move. But this person, because you did cut them off, it's like they're taking some time and they see things clearly. And they're taking their time coming back towards you. Because I see them moving somewhat slow, but they're taking it day by day. But the thing is, they feel stuck. And this is why, like, they're trying to make a decision about something. Knight of Wands. Clarify the Knight of Wands. I feel like they are going to rush back in. They're going to rush back in to talk to you, Sagittarius. But the thing is, they just don't have hope that they can fix it. This person messed up bad. Look, they do want a victory with you, but they're talking themselves out of it. Let's see. Yep, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But if not, I'm telling you, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Why? Hold on a second, y'all. Let me make sure I see if this is you. This could be your energy. And I feel like it is. Hold on. Yep, it is you. So you guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles here because they look at you as someone who's very honest. You're stable. You're nurturing. You know, you're healing. You're just focusing on you. And the thing is, they know that they left you out in the cold. They know it. And they don't want you to walk away from them. They don't. Because they're coming back. See, this person, they keep thinking about what they've done to you in the past, but they do want a future with you. See, I'm telling you, for some of you guys, remember I told you guys in the beginning that somebody was dealing with like a family situation, whether it's like with the parent or the family member, whatever, mother, father to a child. Somebody's dealing with like some type of financial issue here. But I do feel like they want to give you an offer. But one, their money isn't right. Two, they feel like you deserve better because they know that they messed up. I'm telling you, they're scared you're not going to take them back. Could be dealing with an Aries. But they feel like you look at them like they're not stable. And they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. I do feel like in order for them to come back to you, they know that they have to drop whatever this situation is up here. They have to let that go. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. This person is coming back to give you a commitment. They are. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I do feel like they're going to come and speak their truth to you. Somebody could be trying to get out of some type of legal situation, contract. There's something that this person's getting out of because, look, there's my codependency card. So, yeah, somebody's having to get out of something. Yeah, I'm telling you, if someone's, I don't know why I'm feeling like marriage to whoever this is resonating for. Because somebody's having to give up money is what I'm picking up. Yeah, there was definitely some type of third-party situation going on here, but this person wants things to improve with you. Because, see, look, they do want a new beginning with you, but I feel like they're focusing on getting their money together. They want to make sure their finances are straight before they come back towards you. But I do feel like they're scared that while trying to do that, by getting their money together, that they're going to lose you for good. Because they know you're not waiting. See, there's the devil. They are scared. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. Yep, they're scared. Because, look, 1 minute, they want to rush in. They know what they want. They're coming for you. But then in the next breath, they're dragging their feet. So it's like they don't know. They don't know how to even approach the situation. They messed up. They definitely messed up. Ooh. Come on, King and Queens of Wands. Okay. Y'all. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. I'm going to tell y'all. Y'all are definitely dealing with a soulmate. This could be even a twin flame situation. Oh, yeah. Oh, Lord. And y'all see, y'all are on the same page, but y'all are looking away from each other. Ooh, y'all are mirroring each other. Ooh. Whoever was the one that messed up, they want to give you an offer, but they feel like you're going to reject them because they were being very immature, very childish in the past. Oh, yeah, y'all, yeah, this would sound like twin flame. Okay. I'm going to just keep reading. No matter, I tell you all the time, no matter what the title of it is, soulmate, twin flame, potato, I don't care. Just, if they were treating you wrong, y'all know what y'all got to do. But I'm telling you, this person wants to come back. They're scared you're not going to accept their offer, but they do. It's like they choose you. They want to balance things out with you. Tell me more. But see, they're scared things may not improve. Due to definitely a lot of conflict in the past, I definitely feel like this person is arguing with someone else about finances outside of you. And this is why, yeah, if there's a court situation going on for some of you guys, they're waiting on some type of court decision. I'm feeling like here, there's definitely some type of court battle going on. Whether it's marriage, child support, splitting of assets. If that's not your scenario, somebody's just arguing with like a family member because they have been giving or helping them with bills, something with finances, and they're trying to make a decision. If I know I have to stop helping this person, but if it's like an immediate family member, it's kind of hard for them to do because then they feel bad. But then it's like they feel bad because they want to be with you. So they're feeling stuck. Is the energy I'm getting. Yeah, because I'm telling you, this person did take some type of financial loss. They're coming out of this energy, though. And they're using their intuition. But